Another one is his refutations of the Isma'ilis. Isma'ilis, of course, were probably out to get him, and they indeed got his patron, Nizam al-Mulk. And the Ismaili agenda was, in a sense, analogous to that of Imam al-Ghazali, but their solution was very different. They said, look at the disunity of the Muslim world, all of these different sects. How can Islam itself be true if the Muslims themselves can't agree on what it is? God, because of his compassion and mercy, must have provided a source of infallible guidance, not just at the beginning of the religion, but in every age, and that must take a human form, so there must be an infallible Imam Ma'asum, in every age. And the duty of the believer is to find the Imam and to obey the Imam in all details. Imam al-Ghazali saw the danger of this and saw the steady spread of Ismailism amongst the Muslims. And his approach again was not that of angry polemic, of the hurling of scriptures, but of logical deconstruction. And he uses the categories of Aristotelian logic through a series of complex syllogisms to show that the Ismaili argument, which is so apparently attractive, theologically compelling, is in fact nonsensical. Because he says, to put it very crudely, how can you be sure that your Imam is the real Imam? What evidence is there? There are a plurality of Imams. There's more than one Ismaili sect. Granted that it's necessary to follow the Ma'asum, an infallible one, it is safer to follow the Ma'asum, who is Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, than any later exegete or reinterpreter of the prophetic teachings. And it's noteworthy that the Ismailis, partly because they were bashed quite severely by the Mongols, but also because of Imam al-Ghazali's writings and refutations, really go into eclipse after his time, to the extent that in the present day the Ismailis are a small, scattered, albeit wealthy community. So that, I think, is another of his underestimated achievements.